Severe flooding has left hundreds of people trapped in China's southern province of Fujian. Roads here now look more like rivers after storms hit at the weekend. Water levels reportedly rose 2 meters, engulfing homes and businesses. Emergency crews have been rescuing the elderly and the young, cut off by the cruel force of nature. The extreme weather has also struck other southern provinces in recent weeks. According to state television, 55 people have been killed. More than 1.5 million residents are affected in all. Flooding is not unusual in southern China. Almost 700 people were reportedly killed last year.